day. The initial setup of that ductwork indicated some airflow readings that aren't as optimum as the team had expected, but calculations indicate that it will work for the time being for the for 4 crew members to work inside the module at a time. This is Mission Control Houston with the view inside the International Space Station. Station Commander Jeff Williams is taking the video camera to show Mission Control the setup inside the cupola. Hatch is open there still for the crew members to work on the procedures to get the cupola ready for relocation. He's working on the procedure to install a cover on that hatchway before closing the hatch back up.
Endeavour Houston, you guys ready for the event?
Mike, yes, good. I guess it's good evening to you. Bob and I are very ready.
First thing is, first question, it's about the sounds and smells in space. Can you describe how the various parts of the shuttle or the ISS, how they smell, and some of the sounds that you hear that might describe the environment for your followers?
Well, that's a good question, Mike. Obviously, launch is really noisy, but once you're in space, space itself is really quiet, but the inside of the spacecraft is never quiet. It's full of fan noise. Everywhere you go, there's a fan circulating air because there's no convection that on Earth is caused by gravity and temperature differences. There's no convection up here to circulate the air for you. So that's the biggest noise we notice. How about smells, Bob? What do you notice up here?
Well, I think one of the most remarkable smells that you notice in space, everything smells relatively similar except for food. And then one other thing, and that second thing is the smell that you smell when you actually go into a place that was recently at vacuum. I've heard it described as ozone-ish, also being attributed to the oxidation of